Mastering Gaming Lingo. Player eliminated. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's become common not just in the gaming world, but also in pop culture. Player eliminated. Whether you're a gamer, a fan of gaming content, or just curious about English phrases used in specific contexts, this video is for you. We'll explore what this phrase means, where it's used, and why it's become so popular. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this phrase. Player eliminated is a phrase that you'll often hear or see in video games, especially those that involve competition between players, such as battle royales, shooters, or strategy games. It simply means that a player has been defeated or removed from the game, either by being outplayed, losing all their health points, or failing to meet certain game conditions. This phrase signifies a moment of triumph for one player and defeat for another, adding to the intensity and excitement of the game. The phrase is not just limited to the digital text or voice announcements within a game. It's also used by game commentators, streamers, and players when discussing gameplay. For instance, in a live-streamed tournament, a commentator might excitedly announce, "Player eliminated," as a player is taken out of the competition, heightening the drama for viewers. It encapsulates a key moment of action and is a clear, concise way to communicate what's happening. Beyond the screen, player eliminated has found its way into everyday language among gamers and fans, often used metaphorically or jokingly in situations that mimic competition or conflict, albeit in a friendly manner. It represents a broader trend of gaming jargon crossing over into real-life interactions, showcasing the influence of digital culture on our daily conversations. For English language learners, understanding phrases like "player eliminated" can offer insights into the nuances of English used in specific contexts. It's a great example of how language evolves and adapts to new mediums and communities. When you come across such phrases, try to understand them within their context, and don't hesitate to use them when appropriate, especially if you're engaging with gaming content or conversations. We hope this exploration of player eliminated has been enlightening. Phrases like this are a window into the dynamic and ever-changing nature of language, especially in the digital age. Whether you're gaming, watching esports, or just chatting with friends, understanding and using such phrases can enrich your communication and help you connect with broader communities. Thanks for watching, and may your gaming adventures be free of hearing "player eliminated" too soon. Happy gaming and learning!